tools you need in your garden shed to make gardening easier and more efficient. Part 1. The trenching shovel. Yes, even if you aren't digging trenches. But what's so great about a trenching shovel? Let me show you. If you're planting a lot of tube stock, the head of a trenching shovel is twice as wide as tube stock. Perfect size. And for 14 centimetre pots, make the hole twice as wide as your trenching shovel. Perfect size. And as well as being a relatively light shovel, I also find that the sharp, narrow head is easier to dig into hard soils. See, my hole's twice as wide and the same depth. Perfect. You can get a tube stock planty thingy, but I find that the hole that they make is too narrow and they're really hard to push into heavy soils. Alternatively, some people swear by the post hole digger, but I find these really heavy and cumbersome and way too tricky to use. So it's trenching shovel all the way.